DKT, we have a comprehensive product line in fiber. We have been part of the fiber business for the past 20 years. We have obtained deep knowledge in the industry simply by being out at the individual fiber to the home projects. We have participated in numerous projects in Denmark, Sweden, Germany, Netherlands, and also in Eastern Europe. So over the years we have created a large product portfolio. Main focus has been on RF overlay technology and CPE gateway products for the end consumers. So for RF overlay, we have a broad product range from the head end to the end customer, including our own EYDFA product line, that's optical laser amplifiers. These are specified and manufactured by DKT, and we offer a full suite in that category, depending on your specific needs, and we are able to tailor the right model to the right customer. In order to complement the laser amplifiers, we have various optical passive components, optical splitters, couplers, patch cords, that comes in more or less any configuration that the end customer may choose. So we are able to provide an end-to-end solution for the end customer, and either as a turnkey approach, where we offer everything on one pallet, or they buy it bits and pieces here and there for individual projects. For the end customers, we have a CPE product line where we can offer triple play services to the consumer. So consumers asking for fiber broadband service will receive CPE from us, where the fiber termination is made and the triple play services are activated. I think one of the advantages that we have as a company is that we are able to offer our customers with specific solutions for their need. There's not a single network in Europe that is built the same way. So always you have to tailor your product line to the specific needs, and we are able to do that. And we have proven that over the past 20 years with the solutions that we have brought to the market. So we have a long history in this business, and we have a good long path forward where we will bring innovative products to the market. So you can ensure by choosing DKT fiber products, you will have a successful network.